This tutorial is about the registration and logging in process. For a first-time user, you need to register. To register, simply click the registration link and you'll be asked to enter your first name, your last name, your email, and this email will be what you'll be used as your username, and your telephone number. And once that's complete, you press sign up after reading the terms of service and privacy policy. To see the terms of service, click right here and it will take you to the terms of service. Let's go back to our original link, and you to see the privacy policy, click the privacy policy link and it will take you through the privacy policy. Once you've read through and you're satisfied, you sign up by clicking the sign up button and it will take you through the whole process. Let's go back to our login. So once we have signed up, we can now use that same username. That's the email that you used during registration. You enter that email right here, put in your password that was created during registration, and you press sign in. And of course, if you forgot the password, simply click forget password and it will walk you through the steps. An email will be sent to you and will walk you through the reset process. But once you're ready to sign in, enter your email, your password, press sign in. If it's for the first time you're signing in, once you click here, it will be asking you to enter the company details. We'll walk you through that process in another tutorial. So I'm going to select my sample company and voila, I'm in. Let me just expand my window so that you can see the details of your login screen. So here you'll see your name and username, and here you'll see details of your company. For support purposes, if you need support, you will be required to quote this number. That's the company ID number. In this case, this is our ID number for this sample company. And if you are the owner, you created the account, then from time to time on a monthly basis you'll see your account fees here. If you're not the owner and you are not given permission, you will not see the fees. I want you to observe here as well that you'll see the listing of up to 10 last logins will appear right here. And that's it. Once you're ready to log out, simply go back to your user settings in the corner, top right hand corner, click user and click log out. You have logged in and logged out. Congrats.